begins with the beautiful state of Manipur, where every weave tells a story of tradition, artistry, and cultural pride. Our first model side, showcasing a Thankul attire. She is wearing an Abhi Kazipuri Khasan, a traditional Thankul sarong. Hand-woven textile with distinctive loose extra, wrapped thread symbolizing the tail of tigers, reflecting strength and grace. Next, please. Our next model is Marina, representing the Kabui community. She is wearing a Rani Kasui, a traditional Rongmei attire from Tamenglong district, inspired by the legacy of Radu Gaidinlui. The attire represents the craftsmanship and cultural identity of Rongmeis. Our final model from Manipur is Hannah, presenting the Gymkhana from Andro village. Inspired by the centuries-old Kanek Fanek, this ensemble features intricate Zardozi embroidery and is elegantly draped with mulberry feed, which is pure mulberry silk. The traditional Meitei motifs celebrate the timeless elegance of Manipur's weaving and embroidery heritage. Please give a warm round of applause to our wonderful models representing the beauty and heritage of Manipur. The traditional Galo Gale, instantly recognizable by its striking Jessico design, paired with beautiful accessories. Our next model is Nama, representing the Apatani tribe. She is showcasing a magnificent Apatani shawl and gale, highlighting the tribe's masterful handloom skills with precise zigzag and colorful angular motifs. Next, please welcome Ampi, representing the Minyang tribe. She is stepping out in a vibrant Minyang gale, featuring bright horizontal bands and diamond motifs, which traditionally signify a woman's specific clan and village. Please join me in giving a warm round of applause to our wonderful models as they celebrate the rich heritage and diverse traditions of our Arunachal Pradesh. Let us now welcome the beautiful state of Mizoram, where the art of handmade Devanshi. She is wearing a pink color Asmis part silk with golden thread embroidery. Her ensemble is complemented by traditional Asmis jewelry. And finally, representing Assam is Gauri. She is elegantly dressed in a graceful red Muga Mekhla Chador, paired with a matching Muga blouse and riha. And now we welcome Meghalaya, where age-old traditions and skilled craftsmanship come together with modern expression. Our first model is Grace, showcasing the Garo attire, featuring the signature structured corset, luxury upper cloth, and a Dakmanta skirt. Representing the classy ceremonial dance in hand-woven eri silk, adorned with the revered Kapansir Pesoti headgear and Upaila jewelry. Our third model is Selena, showcasing the attire from the Jaitya Hills, featuring the traditional Jaitya Kirwang and Tosarel crafted from Muga silk. Next, please welcome Philly, representing the fusion female attire with the graceful Korea stem wrap skirt paired with a fitted silk top, blending tradition with modern design. Showcasing the hand-painted Jansen, a silk Jansen featuring a light peacock design that reflects classy elegance. And finally, please welcome Aryan, represent the fusion male attire, featuring a pure Nara silk jaipur, Hara silk putrai, which is a waistcoat, Jain Spong, which is a turban, and snares yarn feathers, completed with a Baila jewelry and a Rindia scarf. Please join me to give a warm round of applause to our models as they celebrate the heritage of Meghalaya. Ladies and gentlemen, we now present the serene and beautiful state of Sikkim, where elegance and tradition come together in timeless attire. Representing the Mangar community of Sikkim, she is dressed in a traditional Ganyu pair with wrapped around lungi skirt. Her attire is complemented by the distinctive hamel, a traditional coin-adorned necklace. Celicia is dressed in a Putayan traditional attire called Baku, featuring a silk blouse known as Hanju, paired with silk gown and a colorful apron tied at the front. Please join me in giving a warm round of applause to our models as they